In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add collaborators in Wix Studio with this easy guide. If you're managing a website and need to work with multiple team members, adding collaborators is a crucial step to ensure seamless teamwork. Let's dive in and make collaboration a breeze. First off, you'll want to navigate to Wix Studio. Simply open your web browser and head over to the Wix Studio homepage. If you're new to Wix Studio, it's a powerful platform specifically designed for agencies and enterprises, offering a suite of tools to streamline website management and collaboration. Once at the homepage, you need to log into your account. You'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. If you're already logged in, you might be taken directly to your dashboard. However, if you're logging in for the first time or on a new device, you'll need to enter your login credentials. For simplicity, we'll use the Continue with Google option, as it's a quick one-click method that saves you from remembering yet another password. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Wix Studio dashboard. Here, the next step is to identify and click on the Sites section. This area lists all the sites you're managing, and it's also where you can start organizing and inviting collaborators to join you in managing your projects. Look for the specific site you'd like to invite collaborators to. Once you find it, hover your mouse over it, and you should see 3 dots appear. Clicking on these 3 dots will open additional options for site management. From the drop-down menu, select Add Collaborators. This is where you initiate the process of bringing on board new team members. Once clicked, you'll be prompted to enter the emails of the people you want to invite. Enter their email addresses one by one, ensuring there are no typos, as these emails are where the invitations will be sent. The next step is crucial in setting up roles. You have the ability to assign different roles to each collaborator. Whether you need someone to serve as an editor, developer, or simply have view-only access, make sure to select the correct role that aligns with the individual's responsibilities and your collaboration needs. Finally, once you've added all the necessary emails and selected their respective roles, click on the Send Invite button. Invitations will be sent out immediately to everyone on your list, giving them access to the site as per the permissions you defined. And there you have it. Adding collaborators in Wix Studio is straightforward when you follow these steps, and you'll find that it greatly enhances your workflow efficiency. I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy guides and tips.